Hey everyone, I'm Laney Shaughnessy and I am back. I've been away for quite some time, but here we are, same shop, same channel. It's a new me, new brand, and new build videos just for you. Now our comeback build is something that I've been wanting to do for some time. We're going to build a chest of drawers. We're actually going to build two of them and we're going to link them together with a desk. And it's a project that I thought to myself, man, this would be a great project to get back into the woodworking community with and get back to my channel and my subscribers with. And so I wanted to take you along on that build journey with me. Now this launch or this comeback video is not just the launch of me coming back to the community, but it's also going to be the launch of the new brand of this channel, Build It TV. Now Build It TV is going to be an incorporation of the great build videos that you're used to from this channel, mixed with some CNC carving in the projects. So I really hope you enjoy the new format. Now, it was nice to get back out in the shop and kind of work out some of the kinks and things and get back into making sawdust, and getting back to you all, my subscribers, is what's most important to me. Each and every one of you that have hung out this long and waiting for me to come back, your loyalty is much appreciated. I really do appreciate that. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you enjoy the new project builds that I'm going to be sending your way. The new project video is going to be releasing soon, how to build a chest of drawers / desk. Well, I'll work out the title before I release the video, but until then, I'll see you soon.